Wanna mic me up?
I got you right here.
Okay, cool. Well, I'm gonna get naked first. That's the best way to start a detail. Oh, we're rolling?
Yeah.
Best way to start a detail is unloading and prepping.
I thought it was getting naked.
Alright. Always use your customer's power whenever available. Why would you waste gas turning on your generator? Pish posh.
Oh yeah.
Always. Remember this. Always use their plug if available. Like, I'll go out of my way to use it. One, it's quieter, and two, you're not wasting gas. I hate the generator. I'm like, what?
So much quieter.
What'd you say?
Yeah.
Drives me nuts. And this air compressor is already super quiet. So we're doing a quick detail on this one. I like this customer a lot. My landlord's like best friend. But if you look at it, it's so clean. It's super clean. So we're doing a quick detail, not like an in-depth detail. We're not gonna steam clean it. We're not gonna degrease it. We're gonna use Auto Envy's Refresh, which is a cleaner and like dressing in one. So it's like a clean and shine, which is nice. So, and his roommate wants her car done and the headlights. So luckily, we have everything prepared for that. So remove the floor mats. The only thing we're shampooing is the floor mats in a quick detail, because if your car is fairly clean, keep it maintained kind of like this car, you don't need it like everything shampooed and clean. Like, these floor mats almost don't need to be like shampooed. That's just how clean it is. But we're gonna do it anyway because it's part of the job. So if you want to have your car detailed, you know, you don't want it just a regular wash, you want just a little bit more but not too crazy, a quick detail is the perfect option. I introduced this service I think like this year or a little bit last year and a half now, because there are customers who, you know, they want a little bit more than a regular wipe down, a little bit more than just vacuuming it out. You know, we're gonna make it actually really clean, get in the cracks and crevices. And so I mean, sheesh, this car is, it's clean, it's dusty, but once we start wiping it down and everything, it's gonna look brand new. So we're gonna blow it out, vacuum it. I'm gonna have Jason do that. So I'm actually gonna jump on to do the headlights first. I just want to knock it out of the way, and then from there I'll come back and help him here. Yeah. All right. Always work in shade. If you find shade, work in the shade. Even right now it's like 70 degrees. It's kind of nippy. Got my sandpaper. We got 800, 1500, 2000, and 3000. So you know, we'll take a look-a-loo. You know, looks pretty dirty. So we're gonna work our magic. You should always tape off your lights if you aren't as skilled or experienced. When doing headlights, want big motions, and do the edges first. Always do the edges first. I think most people take forever because they don't add too much pressure. This motion is time for the average person. For us, Marco, we're fighters. This is cross, throw across. See, I'm using my hips. Heels are up on my toes. All right, it's getting freaking cold in the shade. It's getting so windy. My hands are freezing right now. I should have stayed in the sun. This has been a huge mistake.
The start of the video, make sure you always get shade.
Do whatever you can to get shade.
And by the end of the video.
So turning blue. So you notice it's starting to just clear up. It's not as opaque anymore. Alright, let's move over to 1500. You may be asking yourself, why are you biting off the corner? I like to mark which side I'm using, because if I use the whole thing and I sand it down, I'm breaking down the grit, the granules of the sandpaper. When I move to the next one, it won't be as aggressive. So I know I'm gonna use the bitten off corner of this side first. When I do the other headlight, I'm gonna flip it over to a nice fresh side. Now it's not wet enough because it keeps sticking.
That's what she said.
Took you long enough, you uncultured swine.
I was focusing on the video. And then I look at my screen, I just see you look up like, oh, wait, that's my line.
That's my line, sorry. Consistency is important, so this is why I bought off the corner, because I want to make sure when I do the other headlight, it's a fresh new start. don't even feel like I'm doing anything with the 3000 right now.
Such a clear difference from the beginning.
Oh yeah, if you look at the headlight. Yes, sir. For the extractor?
Yeah.
Oh, you got the big one, huh?
Yeah, I saw the little one and I pulled it out thinking it was it.
It's okay. So what we can work around it. Let me show you how.
Okay.
Come on, Marco. Let's go over there real quick. So we have 4 different extractors. 1 super large one, 3 medium-sized ones, and 1 super tiny one, which is compact and nice to use for jobs like this. We're not doing a bunch of seats. We're literally doing 4 or 5 floor mats, and that's it. We're just gonna dry it. We're not just trying to clean it. So what's gonna happen is, where's the extractor?
I took all the floor.
You just grabbed the wrong end.
Yeah, I grabbed the wrong
All these hoses are made the same. If you've ever noticed, it's the end that's different. So what I can do, just remove this and like try to stick it in there. Oh, it doesn't fit. I'll try with the vacuum. The vacuum looks bigger. All these hoses are made the same. They're just different colors. If you feel it, they're all kind of just made the same. Should I take this? No, it's the same. Snickerdoodles. Guess I'll just shove that in there. There you go. Just use that. Take this. There you go. And we don't need the spray because it's the floor mats. We're pressure washing it.
Oh, we're just vacuuming.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I did was just, I mean, this is still loose, but once it starts sucking, it'll seal up. Right now it's just loose.
Yeah.
But once you turn on the vacuum,
Yeah.
it'll just suck it up.
Sure.
So,
So,
that's a good tip. You gotta be versatile out in the field, you know? We're out here in the jungle. Everything's out of control, you know? Life is unpredictable. That's gonna be a good video. A lot of people are like, oh no, what do I do? Same fucking hose. You know? It's like, oh, you need a, it's not like, oh, I need the new hose, or I need the right hose, or I need, no, you just need a hose. Like most guys do.
Yeah, I was just
You
gonna
know?
say.
You just need a hose. You gotta make sure it connects or fits, and it'll work. If you wanna get a video of him using it, you can go back and go there.
Alright.
Then using that orange
Yeah.
hose.
BRB.
experiment failed. So, we'll see what's next. We'll probably have to wipe it down. But yeah, I just feel like no.
Oh no. He was so confident. He's like, go get a video of it. Go get a video of it working.
It was like, let's get a video of it working.
I have to break it to him.
No, let's just let science show him.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Still not working. Not even a little bit.
Nah, it's not sucking.
Why not? Was that seal?
It's just like staying loose. No, that, when you push it all the way, yeah. Yeah, that's
Oh, he got tape. The answer to everything.
Oh yeah, tape.
Feels like I'm taping an ankle.